Hi everyone, welcome to Skint Living UK. My name's Kathy and today we're making another £1 or less meal. I've cooked enough for 2 people, but obviously the price will be halved if you're doing it for 1. I've used 2 sweet potatoes. I got these from Asda. They were 55p for a bag of 4. And I've put them in the air fryer on 200 degrees and cooked them for half an hour. On the last 10 minutes I put in 2 sausages. They were £1.79 from Aldi, so it works out about 22p ish each. So the 2 sausages together come to about 45p. So this is for 2 people, and I cooked them for the last 10 minutes when the potatoes were cooking in the air fryer to save on energy. While the potatoes and the sausages were cooking, I grated some cheese. I had a little bit of red Leicester over, but any cheese will do. And I also chopped up an onion and a chilli, but you can use dried or crushed chilies if you want, because that'll be a bit cheaper, and fry them in the pan. While they were frying in the pan, I took the sausages out once they were cooked, cut them into little pieces and put them in the bowl. Same with the onions and the chilli. So mixed it all up in a bowl, added the grated cheese, mixed it up again, and then I took the potatoes out the air fryer, cut them open and scooped out the flesh and mixed it in the bowl with all the other ingredients. Put half in one potato, half in the other potato, so you've got like a sausagey, potatoey, cheesy, onion, chilli mix. It's really tasty. And then I cracked an egg on top, and then put it back in the air fryer and cooked it for another 3 to 4 minutes, and this is what it looks like. I know it looks like a little bit of a mess, but it is really tasty, and I have got hot slices in my hands, so please be kind. Let me know what you think.